So in order to do my Comanche, Cherokee had to go. You can see in here where I'd cut a bunch of steel. Cut some of this behind the dash. Wound up cutting the quarter panels off just as parts. The rockers, this whole car was pretty darn rough. I do hate cutting these things up and just getting rid of them, but at least a bunch of parts got used up. Seats are pretty much just junk. They're all moldy and nasty, and everything else in here is pretty much tweaked up and junk. But I got a lot of random parts here. Got some quarter panels, a couple doors, some gas tanks, some trim parts. Some of those two-door specific parts, you know. Took the rear glass out of it, saved that.